Hello friends, welcome back to Huddle Crackers. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the awards and honors of 2021. This is the second part of this topic, and if you haven't seen the first one, I am going to give the link in my I button. Let's move to the topic. Who has been selected for the Satyajit Ray Award for his contribution to Indian cinema? The answer is B. Gopal. And one important point, you should remember that Oduna Vasudev was the first recipient of this award. Next one is, who has become the first Indian to win the Children's Peace Image of the Year Global Peace Photo Award? The answer is Aradhya Arvind Shankar. Now some important points regarding this award. This award honors and acknowledges photographers from around the world whose pictures reflect human efforts towards peaceful world. Aradhya Arvind, a 7-year-old from Karnataka's Bangalore. Moving to the next one. Which Indian organization has been honored with International Right Livelihood Award 2021? The answer is LIFE. The full form is Legal Initiative for Forest and Environment. LIFE is a Delhi-based environmental organization. This award is also known as Sweden's Alternative Nobel Prize. Friends, if you are new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of my upcoming videos. The next question is, name the scientists who have been awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2021. The answer is Benjamin List from Germany and David Macmillan from Scotland. One important point regarding this prize, that Nobel Prize in the field of chemistry is given by Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences in Sweden. Moving to the next one. Name the 3 scientists who have been awarded with the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2021. The answer is Sucro Manabe of USA, Klaus Hasselmann of Germany, and Giorgio Parisi of Italy. This award is given by Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences. Moving to the next one. Who have been awarded with the Nobel Prize for Medicine for the year 2021? The answer is David Julius and Autumn Pataputu. Both are from USA. Now discuss some important points. They got this award for the discovery of receptors in the skin that sense the temperature and touch and could pave the way for new painkillers. Moving to the next one. Who has been honored with Aryabhatta Award 2021? The answer is Sathi Reddy. The next one is, who has won the 45th Valar Ramavarma Memorial Literary Award? The answer is Malayalam writer Benjamin. He got this award for his book Manthaliril 20 Communist Varsangal in Malayalam, instituted by Valar Ramavarma Memorial Trust in 1977. Moving to the next one. Who has been honored with Business Excellence Award 2021? The answer is Kapil Pathare. He is the director of VIP Clothing Limited, and this award was given by the Governor of Maharashtra, Bhagat Singh Koshari. Friends, if you are finding these informations helpful, then don't forget to like my video. It will boost me a lot. The next question is, who has been honored with the Egan Prize 2021? The answer is Dr. Rukmini Banerjee. This prize is given for education development, for improving learning outcomes in school at scale. This prize is the world's highest education accolade. The next question is, who has been awarded with SDG Progress Award 2021? The answer is Sheikh Hasina. She is the Prime Minister of Bangladesh. Which Indian power station has been awarded the prestigious Blue Planet Prize 2021 by the International Hydropower Association? The answer is Teesta 5 Power Station. It is operated by NHPC Limited. The next question is, who has won the Global Goalkeeper Award 2021? The answer is Phumzile Mlambo Nyuka. Let's move to the next one. Who has become the first Indian to be honored with Joseph A. Hussman Award 2022? The answer is Dr. Rajiv Nigam. The next question is, who has been honored with the Art Guardian Award 2021? The answer is Parambikulam Tiger Conservation Foundation. Let's see who has been honored with the prestigious C.K. Prahlad Award 2021 for Global Business Sustainability Leadership. The answer is Satyanarayan Nadella. Let's discuss some important points. C.K. Prahlad Award created in 2010 and Mr. Satyanarayan Nadella is the Executive Chairman and CEO of Microsoft. Next question is, who will be given the National Florence Nightingale Award for 2021? The answer is Bhanumati Giwala. This award is given by the Indian Nursing Council to recognize the contributions of healthcare workers. The next question is, who will be awarded the Karnataka Ratna posthumously? The answer is Punit Rajkumar. He will be the 10th recipient of the state's highest civilian honor. He was Kannada superstar known as Appu or Power Star. Let's move to the next question. Who will be honored with Indian Film Personality of the Year Award at the International Film Festival 2021? The answer is Hema Malini and Prasun Joshi. The opening ceremony took place at the Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Indoor Stadium, Panaji, Goa. Let's see who has become Mrs. India Worldwide Queen. The answer is Pooja Badlani. Who has won the Femina Miss India Award 2020? The answer is Manasa Varanasi of Telangana. Actually, due to COVID, this competition was held on 10th February 2021 instead of 2020. The formation of Femina Miss India Award was in 1952 and the headquarters is in Mumbai. Next question is, who won Miss Universe 2020? The answer is Andrea Meza of Mexico. This award ceremony was held on 16th May 2021 in Florida, United States. The next question is, who has been crowned as the Miss India Diva Miss Universe India 2021? I don't think I have to give this answer because all of you know, that is Harnaaz Sandhu. She represented India at the global platform of Miss Universe and made us proud by winning that award. Moving to the next one, who won 96th Madhya Pradesh Tansen Prize? The answer is Pandit Satish Vyas. This award is organized by Madhya Pradesh Cultural Department. This festival paid tribute to Tansen, one of 9th gems in Akbar's court. This award is founded in 1980 and conferred to the exponents of Hindustani music. Moving to the next one, who has won the Subhash Chandra Bose Abda Prabandhan Award 2021? The answer is Rajendra Kumar Bhandari. And another organization, that is Sustainable Environment and Ecological Development Society SEEDS, also got this award. This award is announced every year on 23rd January, the birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Let's see Who are the winners of Sahitya Academy Award 2021? The answer is Malayalam writer M. Lilavati, English writer Ruskin Bond, Bengali writer Shishendu Mukhopadhyay, and Hindi writer Vinod Kumar Shukla. Next question is, who has won the World Khadya Award for 2021? The answer is Shakuntala Harak Singh. Moving to the next one, who has won the Arlene Patch Global Vision Award 2021 by International Association of Women Judge? The answer is Justice Geeta Mittal. She is former Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir High Court, and she is the first to win this award. Let's discuss about the winners of Golden Globe Awards. In 2021, Nomadland wins the Best Film Award in Drama category, and in Musical or Comedy category, the best film is Borat subsequent movie film. Chloe Zhao won the Best Director Award for Nomadland. Andra Day won the Best Actress Award for Drama category. Chadwick Boseman won the Best Actor Award in Drama category. Rosamund Pike won the Best Actress Award in Musical and Comedy category. And Sacha Baron Cohen won the Best Actor Award for Musical and Comedy category. The next question is, who has been awarded the Behelat Turtle Conservation Award for 2021 for turtle conservation? The answer is Dr. Shailendra Singh. Friends, the next question is, who has won the JCV Award 2021 in the field of literature? The answer is M. Mukundan for his Delhi Soliloquy. Let's discuss about the winners of Padma Vibhushan Award. S.P. Balasubramaniam for his contribution to the world of art. He won this award posthumously. Next is Narendra Singh Kapani. He also won this award posthumously for his groundwork for high-speed internet. B.B. Lal. He is best known for leading the excavation of Ram Janmabhoomi site in Ajodhya. Shinzo Abe, Japan's former Prime Minister, for his exceptional service in the field of public affairs. B.M. Hegde, under the medical category, given for exceptional contribution in the field of people's doctor. Wahuddin Khan for his exceptional contribution in the field of spiritualism. Next is Sudarshan Chau. He is a renowned sculptor from Orissa. He got this award for his distinguished work in the field of art. Next question is, who will be honored with Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award 2021 at the International Film Festival of India 2021? The answer is Martin Scorsese and Hungarian filmmaker Istvan Szabó. The next question is, who has got the title of Best Actor in 67th National Film Award? The answer is Manoj Bajpayee for Bhosle in Hindi and Dhanush for Asuran in Tamil. Friends, I hope all these informations will help you in your upcoming exams, and don't forget to see my previous video. You will find the link in the I button. And don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my future videos. Thanks for watching and best of luck for your future.